This video is specially for Toastmasters and who wants to become Toastmaster or who wants to transform his or her life. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls from around the world, wherever you are, whichever city you are in, whichever country you are in, and whichever profession you are in, my message and challenge for you is take a leadership position. I'm talking to all the Toastmasters out there. You are in 143 countries, in 16,800 plus minus clubs. You are an important person. You are a member for many months, for many years. Have you taken position to change someone's life, and before that your life? And here's my challenge for you. Now we are in the month of May. After 2 months, new XCOM will take over in every single club, in every single area, in every single division, district, region, and in international. Why I am telling you to take a leadership position? Because these positions are very important. They have changed my life, and I feel it's my responsibility to tell you all or challenge you all to take one and transform your life. It's not a paid position. It has no monetary benefit. Rather, you have to pay from your pocket for the membership to continue every year, but it will change your life. I got benefit from these leadership roles in past 3 years. I see myself a different person, a confident one, audacious, and I want you to become, because in our society we need people who are diligent, honest, who are carrying integrity on their shoulders, who are confident, who have caliber to speak to the people, convince them, inspire them. Are you someone who likes to change the world? Take this challenge, accept it, and come face to face. Tell me, Amjad, I have accepted your challenge and now I'm a changed person. I'm going to contribute in our society. I'm committed. I'm doing my best, my part. Are you? No matter which country you are in, which city you are in, which religion you are following, if you are a human being, I'm sure you like to change something around. If you are not a Toastmaster yet, become one. Take leadership role. If you are a Toastmaster, take leadership role and change your life. It is not easy. It is not a rocket science as well, but it is something truly beneficial. Currently I am member of 5 clubs, president of 3 clubs. Last year I was president of 3 clubs and area director of 1 area. I was able to manage. I'm running a business. I have a family. I'm doing everything what you all do. If I was able to manage it, you are able to manage it. You are more capable than me. What is stopping you? Fear? Fear does not exist. Fear is in here. I have never seen fear, but sometimes it sits there. It has position in your mind. Change it. Accept my challenge and become one. You have now in coming weeks, your club or the club you are going to become member of are going to take new positions for next year. Toastmasters year is from 1st July till 30th June. Take a position and change whatever you like to change around. If you are not changing, then you have no right to complain about it. Tell me in message if you have accepted my challenge. Whichever country you are in, whichever city you are in, whichever religion you are following, whichever job profession you are in, it is for you. Take one position and change the world. If you like to see the world the way you have image in your mind. Take care of yourself. See you in one of the clubs in 143 countries. Take care.